Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix microphone not showing problem in Camtasia. So firstly, have to go to uh, open your project from media. Now drag and drop this to your timeline. Now if you want to use your voice narration, you can find in the left hand side voice narration. If you can find the voice narration here, you have to click on more option, then you must find this here. Click on voice narration and you can see that the microphone is working. If I choose the another microphone, it will not work. Okay, so you have to choose the right microphone. If it's still not working, you have to restart your entire Camtasia. So how you can do this, you have to click on this file, click on save as and save your project, and then you have to restart your Camtasia account. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.